So Rahul, 5 years from now, what would be the biggest mistakes investors would have made in 2025?
The way to answer your question, Chintan, is that the road we are on right now, it's called Vibhutiganj. It's a central business district of Lucknow. 10 years ago, people who invested here made their money 5 times. Why? You have the best commercial offices, you have the best IT companies, you have 4 5-star hotels here, but it's saturated. Now people are moving to the new CBD, which is Sushant Golf City. There also people have already invested 5 years ago and they've made their money 2 times, 3 times. But the place that anybody needs to invest in Lucknow now is the outer ring road. It is a brand new outer ring road which has been made in the city. The government itself is planning 3,000 acres of townships there, an AI city, a wellness city, an IT city of 2,400 acres. There, today you can invest 1 crore rupees and in 5 years it can be easily 5 crores. So I feel that anybody has to invest today, must invest on the outer ring road. I think that is where the growth is happening. That is where the new developments are going to happen. And that is where the money will become 5 times in the next 5 years.
True. So not investing is the biggest mistake according to you.
If somebody doesn't invest today, seeing what has happened in the past and seeing how the city is progressing, I think it's a mistake.
The most interesting part about this road, I felt, was the TCS office.
Yeah.
Like huge office. I
Huge
can
office.
see good, grade A, nice, decent commercial buildings. You were talking about
Experion, yeah. It's
Yeah.
a FDI, 100% FDI, Singapore-based company.
Okay.
They have a full 100% retail commercial space. Highest rentals anywhere in Lucknow in that building. So again, what I'm saying is that, see, there are great developers here. Great companies are coming. You have Deloitte here, just down the road.
Yeah.
You have IBM, which has opened in the new CBD. You
Right.
have HCL there. Cognizant has come. So you have a lot of IT global capability centers which are coming to Lucknow now. And I think that is what is going to really attract the flow of investors, end users, and the net leasing commercial. I'll show you how much commercial space is getting built right now. So when there is commercial in a real estate market, that is where the residential uptrend also happens, right? The absorption happens. So I feel it is very well poised for the next 5-7 years of multiplier growth. That is what we're looking at in Lucknow in the next 5 years.
So, with some great places to have food, Lucknow also has some beautiful commercial buildings
places,
and good action.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Let's see what happens next in Bharat Bites and Business with Chintan Basani.